everybody. Welcome to another episode of Prep with Miss Pam. Prep stands for Pam's Reading Enrichment Program. Today I want to talk about, again, blending, because blending is so important. In teaching beginning reading, children have to identify their letters, identify their letter sounds, and blend those sounds together. Many of our children, with the assessments, they are successful with identifying the letter sounds, and they can even make the three sounds that they may see presented in a word. For example, they see the word red, they would go red, and those are the three sounds. They can make those three sounds, but in teaching children to read, they have to blend sounds together. So in the reading program that I used, called Orton-Gillingham, the four letters C, O, A, and D are introduced first, and the program teaches you don't go any further until they learn to be successful with blending words made from those four sounds. So when they blend those sounds together, I tell them, mushing the sounds together and not stopping between the sounds. You have to bring the three sounds together. For children that have a lot of difficulty, I say we're going to bring two sounds together without stopping between the sounds and give them the opportunity to be successful with that first. That's what scaffolding is. A lot of times we as educators are so focused on teaching them CVC words, three-letter words, that we do not break it down and say, hey, let's learn how to blend two sounds together, and then eventually they will build up to the three. Okay, so as I stated, Orton-Gillingham starts with the letter C, O, A, and D. I found that for many children, starting with the C was hard. So asking them to blend COD, which is one of the first words, it would sound like this: cod, cod. And they just had a hard time blending the C and the O together to make one sound. That's when I said, we're not going to focus on the duh on the end. We're just going to focus on the first two letters. And I modeled it. Watch me. Ka, ka. C-O makes ka. And when you model it for them, they tend to get it because you're showing them how you do it. Okay, and then there are times when, after various opportunities to practice it, they still have a hard time doing it on their own. If I say today we're going to blend the k with the a, which is ka, I will back up even further and let them start with the vowel, because the vowels are very easy to blend. So if I start with the vowels, we would take the O first. Oh, I've already written it. And blend it with the D, and I'll say, listen to me blend the vowel first. Odd, odd. So that they understand what blending is. So as educators, we have to sometimes go backwards. We can't just follow the script of our reading programs, because it's all about making sure that our students are successful and being flexible. So again, if they can't get the three sounds with a CVC, or consonant, vowel, consonant word, take off that last consonant and just focus on two letters and give them the opportunity to be successful, because we want to build their confidence. Think about it. If you're teaching multiplication, you would tell them you know your 5 timetables already because you know how to skip count by 5. That's giving them the confidence that they already know how to multiply or skip count. Same thing with reading. You don't want to overload them with skills that they are not ready to have yet. So give them the opportunity, if they need to first blend the vowel with the consonant, like add, am, which is pretty easy. Do that first to build their confidence. And after they see that they can mush two sounds together to make one, they'll be ready to mush three sounds together. So it is our goal to always meet the students where they are, teach them the way that they get it, and make sure that they're successful, because we're out to build a nation of readers. Thank you so much for joining, and I'll see you next time.